My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Volkswagen Golf R Estate. This vehicle has done just over 37,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen to the left we can access radio, media, phone connection and voice control. To the right we can access our navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our vehicle status. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our aircon, as well as heated seats on either side. The Golf R comes with 4 different driving modes, so if we press this button here, we can access all 4. The Golf R has a 2-litre TSI engine and can reach 0 to 60 in just 4.9 seconds. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.